New at 5, this string of crime is happening all over the Coachella Valley with one disturbing trend. Much of it involves young adults and minors. News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson takes a closer look at this rash of crime activity.
Committing a violent crime is bad enough, but now we're seeing the dangerous reality of more and more suspects aging as young as 15 and 16 years old. Lieutenant William Hutchinson says a recent spate in shootings took off over escalating tensions within the past year between rival gangs in North Palm Springs.
To the point of, well, we've now lost 3 lives out of this incident. There have been a couple other homicides that have occurred in that neighborhood. We're trying to see if there is a correlation or some type of a connection.
Lieutenant Hutchinson confirms since July 3rd, there's been 15 arrests related to the ongoing violence. A total of 7 were teenagers, including one 18-year-old. Some are now facing murder charges, and it's not just Palm Springs. Last Thursday in Coachella, 3 people were arrested, ages 20, 18, and 15. Separately, Indio police are searching for 2 suspects after a woman was struck by a stray bullet near a grocery store last month. The first, known as 18-year-old Jesse Trigger Hernandez. The second suspect is a juvenile. Officials say there could be a number of reasons why there's a sudden uptick in violence.
In the past, what we normally would have done was maybe intervene with maybe some hot spot areas at the school or deal with some tensions.
With many of these teens now having to stay at home for school resource officer Sherry Miller says they're facing bigger challenges at intervening with troubled youth. Miller says those around them play a vital role.
It's not invisible. They have parents, families. Our neighborhoods can speak to us regarding just their observations or areas, locations of concern.
Dr. Heather Hathaway is a licensed therapist at 417 Recovery in Palm Desert. The organization offers mental health services and counseling for teens.
If a child is already predisposed to maybe a chaotic mindset, not having that structure is definitely affecting them.
Dr. Hathaway advises parents to know what their child is up to, including where they're going and who they're hanging out with. Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.